Hi guys, it's me Teacher Ice, and for today's video, pag-usapan natin ang isang bagay na madalas nating marinig pero minsan nakakalimutang intindihin. Rules o mga alituntunin. Sounds boring, right? Wait lang, hindi ito typical lecture, promise. Let's make it real and relatable. So ano nga ba ang rules? Simple lang. Rules or guidelines or mga panuntunan na nagsasabi kung ano ang dapat at hindi dapat gawin. In short, para itong instructions, para hindi magulo at para may kaayusan ng lahat. Para itong game na may mechanics. Kasi kapag walang rules, chaotic, walang winner, walang peace. Now, let's have some examples. Alam niyo ba na kahit saan kayo lumingon ay may rules? Sa bahay, hugasan ng pinggan pagkatapos kumain. Bawal mag-gadgets kapag oras ng pagtulog. Sa school, bawal mangopya, respect your teachers and classmates. Sa daan, tumawid sa tamang tawiran, follow traffic rules. Even online, bawal magkalat ng fake news, think before you click or post. Kahit sa ML, di ba may rules kapag AFK, report agad. Now let's be real, bakit nga ba mahalaga ang rules? Number one, para may kaayusan. Imagine kung walang rules sa classroom nyo, sabay-sabay kayong magsasalita, walang makikinig, disaster yun. Number two, it keeps us safe. Yung simpleng bawal tumawid sa hindi tamang tawiran could literally save lives. Number three, it teaches us discipline and respect. Rules help us become better people, more responsible, fair, and respectful. So guys, the next time you hear, sumunod ka sa rules, wag mo isipin na killjoy si teacher or si mama. Think of it as a way to protect and help you grow. Follow rules not because takot ka sa punishment, but because you understand the reason behind it. That's it for today's video. Kung may natutunan kayo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons na hindi boring. And remember, rules are cool kung iintindihin mo. See you next time!